Hey there. Have you ever wondered how to start a video call on Instagram on your PC? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I will walk you through the steps to make a video call on Instagram with the new update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram account on your PC. Simply log in with your username and password. Step 2. Click on the Messages tab located on the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Once you're in the Messages section, find the account you want to call. You can search for the account in the search bar or scroll through your messages to find the right contact. Step 4. Open the conversation with the account you want to call. Simply click on the chat to open the conversation window. Step 5. Now, click on the camera icon located at the top right corner of the conversation window. This will initiate the video call. Step 6. Finally, click on the Start Call button to begin the video call. Make sure your microphone and camera are enabled so you can see and hear the person you're calling. And there you have it. You've successfully started a video call on Instagram on your PC using the new update. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth video call experience. Thanks for watching.